Welcome to my channel. It's a day after winter storm that dumped more than 12 inches of snow in Minnesota. Early morning here. Just drop off my kid over there at school. Yep, people have been digging out today. More than 12 inches of snow. It looks nice out there. Thanks for visiting. Make sure you come back and watch more videos and watch my playlists. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate you every time and every day. So continue supporting us by watching our videos, giving us a like. And if you're new, when you leave a comment, please be kind, be respectful. I don't like hateful comments. I don't mind comments if you're criticizing, fine. But hateful comments, they are not necessary. So thanks for joining me here. The sun glare. Driving early morning. Hope you're having a good time, whatever time you're watching this video. And I always love saying thank you to all my subscribers from many different countries, including India, Canada, the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, South Korea, Japan, Sweden, Brazil, Portugal, Russia, Ukraine, Costa Rica, Colombia, Kenya, South Africa. So if you're watching from a different country, thank you so much. And if you're subscribed from a different country, I also want to appreciate you. A lot of viewers from India, Canada, USA. This is a day after winter storm. More than 12 inches fell. I don't know how many feet. Maybe 2 feet. I don't know. 3. It looks nice out there with all the snow and stuff. And right now it's 24 degrees, so it's not too cold. I'm recording from Minneapolis, not Minneapolis, from Minnesota. Different neighborhoods. This technically is still St. Paul. You can see people walking early morning. If you're watching in Minnesota, I'm sure you are familiar or you've heard of the Minnesota State Fair. That's to my left, those buildings right there. That's where the Minnesota State Fair is held every year, starting September, end of September. can see the sunrise right there. I'm driving towards east. All these streets last night were covered with a lot of snow. There's still some digging to be done on smaller streets. This is like a major street. They do a very good job plowing. Can see open space. They are called West Picnic Grounds. Coming up to my left here is Lake Como. I also have people watching my videos in France and Italy, the Netherlands, and many other countries I don't remember offhand. That's Lake Como. Guy jogging, people walk around. There's a path, bike path and a walk path. It's frozen, the lake is. There's a small parking lot right there. People park and go for a walk. Lake Como, and up the street up there, it's Como Park Elementary. My kid went there. That's Como Park Elementary School. And to my right, I'll show you in a second, is Como Park High School. Over there, that's Como Park High School. Once again, thank you so much for joining me on this short drive. Just wanted to show you how much snow we have out there after winter storm. This here is a huge old Catholic church. I think it's been sitting here for over 100 years old. Over 100 years. St. Bernard Church in St. Paul, Minnesota. And they have a school. I don't know what grades, but maybe kindergarten through 3rd grade or something. Take care. Thanks for joining. You know what to do. Support us. Peace out.